So recently I have purchased a new iPad A16 2025 model. It works fine, but honestly I just hate typing on it. Since I take lots of notes, I have decided to invest in a good keyboard for iPad. But the problem is Apple Magic Keyboard is super expensive. I could not just afford it. So that's why I went with this option instead. It's lightweight, comfortable to write, feels premium, and the most important, I can connect multiple devices at the same time. Don't worry, I will unbox it and show you how it works. So we have this HP 350 Bluetooth device and I'm going to unbox it and let me see how it turn out. Okay, so at the upper we have this keyboard itself and that is warranty card, I guess. And what is this? I think it looks like a user manual, but I don't know it. Like it's pretty big. Okay, I don't know who is going to read this, but I'm not going to. So we have these two Duracell batteries as well. And what do we have? So let me just open up. Fine, perfect. This look pretty awesome, like very lightweight, and the color looks amazing. Okay, so we have this rubber pad as well to prevent sliding, and this is how it sounds. So it doesn't come with riser, so it's mostly a flat keyboard. And let me put the batteries and let's see how it works. Looks awesome, no? What do you think? This color looks awesome. Okay, so I have my iPad. It's iPad A16 2025 model and now I'm going to connect it. So you just have to switch on from the corner and there is a blink. So it will indicate that your Bluetooth has been on. Now you have to just connect it with via Bluetooth. It's way more easy than it looks. Okay, I have already connected it once, that's why. Otherwise you have to pair it once. Okay, pairing is very easy thing, you don't have to waste your time. Okay, now let me just write something and let's check how the writing is. So perfect, I think it write perfectly fine. Just I'm not used to this small keyboard, that's why it feels little bit tougher for me, but the feedback and key travels is perfect, I would say. I might get used to it in some time. Nice, nice experience. Perfect. So you have this volume rocker as well. You have this brightness button as well, so you can just control the brightness. And you have this emoji button, like if you are putting lots of emojis into chats or something, then this will be really helpful for you. And next we have screenshot, so I can take screenshot from here only. And this is the power off button, like I can turn off and on my screen, which is very useful thing. Yes, I can operate my iPad from here. I don't have to touch my screen. Nice, no? So it comes with alt or command option and Windows option. So whether you are using iOS device or Windows device, it will work with both of them. That's how it sounds. What do you think? How is it? So here, this is my original keyboard, which is full size, and let me compare it side by side, like how the big and what is the difference between both of them. So size wise, so you can see that it's almost half and a little bit extra, I would say 60% of size. Yes. So now let me start writing on laptop. Let me just connect it with my laptop whether it will work or not. Okay, iPad has been already connected. This is the second device I've been connecting with the keyboard. So pairing is very easy, like you just have to turn on the Bluetooth and it will get it on. Okay, let me just show it to you guys. So here you have to click on Bluetooth, press on Bluetooth button, so it will turn the blink, which means the second device is my laptop. Okay, so now it will show you the name, which is HB350, which is the name of the keyboard itself. Okay, now I'm going to click it and just pair it. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so I have clicked it and now it will ask me to enter the numbers that had been replaying on my screen. Okay, so that's how I will get paired with this device. So let me just put the number. Fine. Okay, fine, it's connected. Nice, pretty easy. Now let me just type how it works. Perfectly fine. Fine. Awesome. Works, bro. Works. It works, bro. Now let me just also connect my iPad and laptop and let me check side by side how, if you have to switch between both the device, then how you can switch it. Okay, so laptop has already been connected, iPad has already been connected. Now let me switch both the device while typing. So now it's laptop. Okay, I'm typing in laptop. Now I'm going to shift to iPad. Nothing, you have to just press the Bluetooth button. Okay, so here press 1. Okay, it shows me that the second device has been connected, which is laptop. Now I have to move my blink from second to first. Okay, did you remember that we have selected first while I connecting iPad? So we have to go first. Here we are. Okay, so now it's connected with my iPad. Now I'm going to type it. Fine, it's working. Now I'm gonna switch to my laptop. So I'm going to press that Bluetooth button, which is okay, second time. Now it's okay, fine. Okay, so now I'm typing on my laptop. So it's very easy, like I can just switch it with a single click. Just you can see that. See? So if you are using a multiple device, then this will be really helpful. Like you can just switch between both the device with just single click, and this will be really helpful. Like I have been using this multiple devices, so it's really helpful for me. If you really want to buy this thing, I'm going to put the link into description. You can definitely check out, and this white color looks awesome, bro. What do you think?